Hi, I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach. The 2013 Cadillac XTS is modern, it's high-tech, and it's a beautiful car. Let's take a closer look. The 2013 Cadillac XTS has a combined fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon. I was able to meet that during my test drive. It's powered by a 3.6-liter V6 with 300 horsepower. Prices start at $60,385. My test vehicle was $64,695, which included a driver assistance package. The advanced all-wheel drive system of the 2013 Cadillac XTS handled very capably in the snow. The XTS offered heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as air-conditioned seats for the warmer days. Every XTS comes with CUE, or Q, Cadillac User Experience, the brand's new multimedia system with navigation, audio controls, and connectivity. The short and long-range radar systems offered a driver assistance package which supports advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision alert, safety alert seat, which vibrates the driver's seat to get your attention, and automatic front and rear braking to avoid a collision. Competes with Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, Mercedes E350, Lincoln MKS, and Volvo S80. I really like the new style and design, powerful engine, comfortable ride quality, great sound system, and the Q technology and connectivity system. I dislike the fact that it was a large car, making it hard to park in urban areas, and I wish it offered self-parking, although the driver assistance package makes the job a lot easier than expected. The all-new 2013 Cadillac XTS offers premium styling, comfort on the road, and has a state-of-the-art multimedia system that's easy to use. Remember when test driving a vehicle to test drive as many vehicles in that category as you can before making your final decision. And for more information, go to our website. I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach.